Hey YouTube, it's Sean, and showing you Grandpa's 410. Now it's not complete. We still have to put the butt plate on it. Sorry, I'm using a flashlight, an LED light. We still have to put the butt plate on it, but got the stock done. Got all the plastics done, and we got, you know, the bolt. I left the bolt the same as the 16. I left it chrome. Look, I think the chrome against the black looks good. Looks really good. And I oiled the whole mess up. Everything. I oiled it good. Trying to get the bolt open. But this one has not the magazine that is detachable. It has a floor plate that's interior. You put 3 shells in here. They fit there, and that's where they go. And my girls are anxious to shoot this one. I'm not sure why, but and they saw this and they were like, okay, I want to shoot that. And that's their great grandpa. And that's cool. That's good, you know. And I'll stand behind them and help them hold it up because it's quite heavy. I know my oldest daughter can do it, but my younger one may not, you know. But we'll get that butt plate put on very soon, YouTube. I have to make the plastic spacer that goes between there. I have the butt plate, but we want to make it right, you know. If you remember, if you want to watch my 16 gauge video, there is a white spacer that goes between the stock and the actual butt plate. But there you go. She's beautiful. Now, if you want to watch the other video again, referring back to that one, I do believe that this is black walnut, and the other one I do believe is English walnut. That's the difference in the dark color on this gun compared to the last one. But there you go. And it has the adjustable choke, you know. You can adjust your choke just like the other one. Whether you want to have a full or a modified or an improved, it turns. It's twisty. But there you go. And got a few other videos that I'm going to be doing coming up. More of the RV stove coming up soon. So you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you later.